Oh my god, guys! Of course, everything I promised you is true, and we got unlimited resources, unlimited coins, and unlimited Zepeto Zems all in my account right now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my brand new YouTube tutorial. And guys, in today's tutorial, we will be showing you how you can get unlimited Zems and unlimited coins all in your Zepeto app. Free, safe and only, without download any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's phenomenal tutorial, and you'll be having, of course, unlimited coins and unlimited Zems all in your Zepeto app, guys, and working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks, guys. First step is open up your browser. Safari or Google doesn't matter, and type in address right here, appspatch.com, and search your any game or app from the list. Okay, guys, sorry for that. I find Zepeto app and wait for loads up. Okay, guys, perfectly. Please enter your username in your Zepeto app or account, of course. Okay, give me a second and choose your platform. I select iOS, but working for both iOS and Android devices, guys. And very fun step, guys. Oh my god, select your Zems. Okay, I select maximum and select your coins. I select maximum, of course, why not? And wait for loads up. I find this guy online testing in a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly, I decided to share it with you guys. Okay, and very important step, guys, complete 2 tasks. Okay, guys, I understand and I complete 2 simple tasks. Guys, first task is download 3 app and complete questionnaire. Your boy download 3 app, install Swagbags and play 2 game, install TikTok and run it for 30 seconds, and set Oper GX. Your boy install 3 app and be right back to complete questionnaire and finally open Zepeto app. So let's go, guys. Okay, my peep, your boy complete all steps. Download 3 app, everything is here, and complete questionnaire. And guys, very important, please don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. And finally open Zepeto app, guys. Okay, nothing's happening right now. Okay. Oh my god, guys, of course, everything I promised you is true, and we got unlimited resources, unlimited coins, and unlimited Zepeto Zems all in my account right now. Leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.